The word of the day is fragile. The spelling is F-R-A-G-I-L-E. It is an adjective meaning easily broken or damaged. Sentence: be careful with that vase. It's very fragile. Once again, the word of the day is fragile. The word of the day is fumble. The spelling is F-U-M-B-L-E. It is a verb meaning use the hands clumsily while doing something. Sentence: she fumbled with the key and finally unlocked the door. Once again, the word of the day is fumble. The word of the day is fragrance. The spelling is F-R-A-G-R-A-N-C-E. It is a noun meaning a pleasant sweet smell. Sentence: this perfume has a light fresh fragrance. Once again, the word of the day is fragrance. The word of the day is flourish. The spelling is F-L-O-U-R-I-S-H. It is a verb meaning grow or develop in a healthy or rigorous way. Sentence: he waved his sword with a flourish. Once again, the word of the day is flourish. The word of the day is flammable. The spelling is F-L-A-M-M-A-B-L-E. It is an adjective meaning easily set on fire. Sentence: flammable liquids should never be used in a fireplace. Once again, the word of the day is flammable. The word of the day is feast. The spelling is F-E-A-S-T. It is a noun meaning a large meal marking a special occasion. Sentence: they had a midnight feast in their tent. Once again, the word of the day is feast.